Alright you guys, as you know, this is not my normal time of day for filming. This is not my normal outfit. These are not normal times. But I was going to make a quick meal. It's a Sunday night. It's day 18 of our quarantine. Oh my darling sweet quarantine. So I was going to make up a quick fried rice and use a bunch of stuff in the fridge. And I thought, well, this is a perfect bunker buster recipe for you guys. And this is based on ratios. This is based on whatever you got in the fridge. This is just a quick and dirty how to make some fried rice from leftovers. Nothing here is planned. I just whipped out the camera because I thought maybe this is a really good idea. So maybe it's not. Maybe this will never make it to the internets. Anyway, let's get started. So I'm just going to show you a bunch of the stuff that I have and then what I supplemented from the pantry. And this is how you use your leftovers. All right, let me flip you around and you can take a look. Okay, so as you saw, I was just pulling stuff out of the fridge and I thought I'd give you a little rundown on what I got here. So I've got some sliced pork that we made the other day. I've got some brown rice that we made the other day. It's with chicken stock, so it's nice and deliciousness. This is just some sliced onions, some garlic, some leftover salad. We have two of the same salad. I'm just going to use the old one. This is great because it has cabbage and cilantro and nuts and all kinds of good stuff in it and a little bit of dressing. And then I've got another one there because it makes for great vegetables in a fried rice. Also, on this side of the kitchen, I'm just going to be using some soy sauce and some hot sauce to make it a little more flavorful. So let's cut up the meat and then we'll just start cooking. It's that easy. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm just taking some pork tenderloin that we cooked the other day. It makes great sandwiches. You get it at Costco. We just put a little spice on it and roasted it just till it's done. So I'm just going to take a little hunk of this. It's already pre-sliced, maybe a little bit more, because Kuda likes meat. And then all I'm going to do is, seriously, all I'm going to do is just make it into bite-sized little pieces. You can see there, just tiny pieces, tiny pieces, tiny pieces. I'm sure you guys have all had fried rice at some point in your life. So it is just a really great way to use up what's in your fridge. Boom, that's it. Can you handle that? That is the major preparation of this part. Okay, and I'm telling you, the hardest part of this recipe is figure out where to put the camera and the lighting so you guys can see this on this quick cook. Okay, we've got a pan. I am just popping on the heat. Full whack. And put that there. And I'm just going to put a little bit of oil to fry some vegetables. Now remember, this is going to get distributed throughout the whole dish, so it may look like a lot of oil, but it's not too bad. And what I have here is just some onions that I had sliced up from the other day for sandwiches and such, and I'm just probably going to put, I don't know, about that many, so about half, so I still have some left to cook with. And then I'm just going to mix these around a little bit and let them come up to temperature to fry a little bit. And they can steam. There's going to be plenty of other stuff in here, so let's just give that a couple minutes. All right, our onion is getting fried up there pretty good. I can smell it. That's what we're looking for. So I'm just going to add our meat in here. And what we're doing is building flavor, so I'm going to add a big scoop of garlic. We really like garlic. If you don't like that much garlic, no need to put that much. Now, you know, typically you would use a wok for this. We don't have a wok, so this is the closest we have. And what we're doing right here is just building up a lot of flavor because it's what's going to make the rice taste good. So. Alright, then typically I will put my sauces in at the beginning because I like them to cook into everything. So we're just going to put a big glug of soy sauce. And remember, we're flavoring a lot of rice here. And then I'm going to put some Sriracha sauce in there, like a little spice thing. That's very flavorful. It smells great. All right, the next step, we have this end of this cabbage Asian salad thing. So I'm going to toss the dressing because we won't use that. But just put a little of this. It's mostly cabbage and carrots. And we like a lot of vegetables in ours too. I also like this. It has a little bit of cilantro in it to give it some flavor. We'll have to tear that one up. Maybe. There we go. A lot of veggies. Alright, give that a stir fry. Alright, let's cover that for just a minute. Okay, and then what I found works for me is I make a little well like that. And then I like to fry the eggs right in the middle, so I just put those in there like that. And then again, I just cover it for a minute. I just keep capturing the steam because I think it helps cook everything faster. And then I'll scramble the eggs and cook them pretty hard. Depends how you like it. If you like yours to be incorporated into, you can, but we like ours to be a little bit chunky. Again, just capturing more steam. Then when I feel like the egg is pretty cooked through, then I'll mix it all together. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I can smell the caramelization of all the sauces, all the flavors. Alright, so pretty much what we got here is protein and vegetables, all looking pretty good. You could eat it just like that if you want. And then the final thing, which is just to add the rice. So we've just got our cooked rice. And then I just add what I think is appropriate for the amount of stuff. You know, maybe about that much. Usually try to do about half and half. And I just try to break up the rice a little bit. This is brown rice, if you're wondering what's going on here. This is a brown rice. We typically try to eat brown rice. It's a little bit more healthy and it's delicious. It's a California brown rice. It's grown just a couple hundred miles away from where we live, so it's pretty local. And then just turn it over and try to get all those flavors that you built up incorporated in the rice. And as soon as you do that, and it's hot all the way through, you're done. I mean, it's that easy, you guys. So this is a perfect way to use up leftovers in your fridge. Now, if you don't have leftover rice, you can make fresh rice, but honestly, it makes better fried rice if you have the day over rice, because the carbohydrate matrix solidifies. It gets a little bit harder in there, and it makes a better thing. This is also a great thing to do if you go to Chinese food or something, or Japanese, and you have leftover rice the next day. Alright, so we'll let that heat for a couple more minutes and it's done. Okay guys, I mean, seriously, it's done. That is what, 10 minutes? 10 minutes to make leftovers into something delicious for dinner. Let me serve it up and I'll show you a pretty bowl of it. Yeah, there you go. This is just some cilantro from the bag just to give it a little bit of a garnish. But yeah, you can see how fast and easy it is to make this. This is just from leftovers we have in the fridge. The main ingredient and the main spices are soy sauce and some sriracha sauce. So it is super duper easy. All right, let's give it a taste, you guys. Hello, Bunker Buster Eats. Hello from Bunker North. It is day 18 and we have fried rice. Yeah, that easy, you guys. Look at that. It is steaming. It is goodness. All right. It is the moment you've been waiting for. Bunker Buster. All right, let's give it a try. Let's just dig right in. So there's a little bite. It's hot. You guys, onions and garlic are magic. They make everything taste good. So we got a little cabbage. We got a little rice. It's hot. Mmm. That's really good, you guys. All right, where's one of those pieces of pork? I want to try that. So, oh, there we go. We got a pork. We got a pork and an onion. So there's a little bit of pork, a little bit of onion. Mmm. I don't know what to say. That's great. And you saw that's dinner in like 10 minutes. There you go. All right. Bunker Buster number 3 for you. Use what you got in the fridge. Don't waste food. There's people going hungry in the world. Talking to you. All right, you guys. I'm Robert Jones. This is Eudaemonius Mark II. This is my regular cooking channel. We're doing Bunker Buster recipes, all doing the quarantine and lockdown. And I hope you enjoyed this. What do you like to put in yours? Do you have special things? What craziness have you been eating? That's my question for you. Write in the comments, what craziness have you been eating? All right, you guys. I'm Robert Jones, and I hope you're doing well. What day is it for you? We'll talk to you next time. Take care. Bye. Whoop! Dinner! Whoop! All right, we're going to eat.